Are you tired of sluggish Wi-Fi ruining your online experience? Let's dive in. The first step involves updating your network driver. Click on the search icon and type Device Manager. Open it. In Device Manager, locate Network Adapters and expand it. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. It might be named something like Wi-Fi or Wireless Network Adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will search for and install the latest driver if it finds one. Follow the on-screen prompts. Next, let's check some network settings. Return to the search bar and type Network Status, and select View Network Connections from the results. Right-click on your Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. In the Properties window, find Internet Protocol version for TCP, IPv4 and double-click it, or select it and then click Properties. Under Use the following DNS server addresses. Try setting your preferred DNS server to 8888 and your alternate DNS server to 8844. These are Google's public DNS servers, which are often faster. Click OK and then OK again to close the windows. Next, let's check your Wi-Fi power saving settings. Type Power and Sleep Settings in the search bar and open it. From here, go to Additional Power Settings, then click Change Plan Settings on your active power plan. And from the next window, click Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Settings, look for Wireless Adapter Settings and then Power Saving Mode. Inside of that, set it to maximum performance. Click Apply and then OK. Finally, restart your computer to apply all the changes. You should now experience a noticeable improvement in your Wi-Fi speed. Give these tips a try and let me know in the comments how they worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips.